When we talk about the relevance of IBC 2016, recently there was an amendment bill which was introduced. So certain changes has been in like proposed in that bill, which states कि firstly introduction of the group insolvency, that should be one of the options. Second, cross-border insolvency provisions has been made a part of it, and third, creditor-led resolution process, CLRP. So ये तीन मेजर चेंजेस है जो अनाउंस किए गए हैं इन दी बिल. एंड in terms of like for example how this is going to operate, जब हम creditor led resolution process की बात करते हैं, so in this जो financial creditors है जिन्होंने लोन दिया है to a particular firm or an organization, वो भी initiate कर सकते हैं default proceedings uh, against the corporate debtor. We have seen कि major जो issue emerge हुआ in terms of the functioning of IBC is the number of days that it is taking to solve the cases. For example, if we see कि जो CRIP process है, it took an average of 680 days to be concluded as per जो data exist करता of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, जो कि regulator है of the entire जो भी process किया जाता है. And between even in we can say कि overall 2024 में this time period increased to 841 days, जबकि जो stipulated time period है वो है 330 days में पूरा जो matter है that needs to be resolved. सो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑल्सो जब बात आती है कि जेट एयरवेज जो केस चल रहा था अगेन रिगार्डिंग द लिक्विडेशन या बैंक्रप्सी, there also the same thing was criticized by the Supreme Court about the delays which exist. So वो पूरा पर्पस है जो पूरा प्रोसेस का वो ही उसी को ही डिफीट कर देता है अगर इतना टाइम ही लग रहा है पूरी चीज को सॉल्व करने में. तो credibility comes under question. Another challenge is the inadequate strength of the tribunals जो exist करते हैं. There are pendencies which are there, vacancies exist करती है NCLT benches में. And also it is believed कि जो number of NCLT benches हैं that should be increased from 16 to 30 और member strength must also rise to 115. So capacity development is one thing. Then we need to shift more towards the robust digital infrastructure so that जो time delays हैं हम उनको कम कर पाए. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर एरिया जो प्रपोज किया गया है इज द वॉलंटरी मीडिएशन जो ऑल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन मैकेनिज्म है सो दैट अगेन जो डीलेज होते हैं केस डीलेज दे आर पेंडिंग उसको हम इसके थ्रू भी कम कर पाएंगे इफ मीडिएशन इज अगेन इज द फर्स्ट रिजॉर्टेड मेजर.